Hi guys, this 98 Toyota Sienna. This tailgate have a few dents on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grind all of these and straighten it, and you could see exactly what I'm doing step by step. Okay, what I'm using is a 36 grinder disc, and this is the grinder that I'm using. You could pick this up anywhere in Home Depot or Matco tool truck, Snap-on, anywhere. So I'm gonna grind this now, and then I'll show you exactly. Good. Okay, I just finished grinding this off, straight to metal. In this video, you want to make sure that when you do this sanding, you have to wear a safety glass. And then I'm going to show you the machine that I'm using to pull this dents out with. It's this machine right here. You could pick it up from the tool truck, from the Harbor Freight store, I believe. And this is a stud puller. And this is the pull actually that you're gonna use to pull the dent out. And I have a body hammer here. So you put this just like that. Press in. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that I get everything out. Wherever I see, you could look at it sideways. You could see if it's still in. You could feel it with your horn when you finish. So as you pull, and if there is still a bump here, you could tap it in slowly with your body hammer. And I'm gonna take this pin half now. Take a pliers, and you could just twist it, and it come right off. this one is a little tough. Okay, so when you get the pin off, you could grind it back quickly. And the way how you could check, see if it's still in, you could feel it slowly. Just make sure you have a nice flush feeling. Then when you finish, you can use a DE. I use a 80 grip DE sandpaper. Basically what I'm doing, I'm smoothing off my edge and sand the metal a little too with the sandpaper, so that way I have a smooth surface. Same thing I'm gonna do it with these pieces too. In my next video I'm gonna show you how to do the mud work and get it ready to prime. Okay, I'm gonna pull on the smaller dents now. So now you see I put these pins here. I put them exactly where the dent is. Around exactly the shape of the dent, you pull on the dents. So this one right here, as you could, I don't know if you could see it good, but there's a dent right here, and there's like a crease with dent right here, not so bad like this one. So I'm going to use my pull again. You don't have to put too much strength when you pull it, just a little bit. If the metal's soft, you could just even put your body strength on it, and that will work. If there's any bump around it, you could take your body hammer, slightly tap it. We go to the next dent now. This one don't look like you have any bump. But before you do your grinding, you could look at your dent carefully, and that way you know exactly what you're doing before you start. So this dent actually finished. I'm just gonna take this out now, and same thing that I do with this dent, I'm gonna do with all of this. Get it nice, ready to bando. My next video gonna have the bando work, how to do it and get it sand everything and ready to prime. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe to see my next video.